Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Arabic Study Group of India. So we welcome you on this YouTube channel, Arabic Study Group of India. Till now, if you didn't join our Telegram channel, so please join. It is paid, and we share daily two quizzes on paper 2 Arabic, comprising 50 questions, and as well as we will share weekly mock test on paper 2. So you can join this Telegram channel. So first of all, I would like to say that in this video just I'm sharing my strategy, how I prepared for paper 1 and what are the all resources I used for paper 2 not paper 1. Okay, يعني Arabic. كيف استعدت للغة العربية الورقة الثانية. So first of all, the book I used and I think everyone use is تاريخ الأدب العربي لأحمد حسن الزيات. Okay, this book is very beneficial and useful, so I think you should never skip this book, as I came to know that many students are saying that we studied this book in our curriculum, in our syllabus in PG or UG, so we are not studying this book, not having this book with us in study material for UGC net. So I will recommend you and strongly recommend you to have this book with you, because this is basic book. You can make it as your basic level and revised more than 5 times, I can say. So you will be doing the same if you want to achieve your target. And I agree, and I acknowledge that this book is very tough. The language of this book is very tough, but what you have to do, just you have to in first go you have to understand the book. Okay, and in one go, in first go, just highlight the fact. Okay, أين ولد الشاعر وأين توفي. Okay, وما اسم حبيبته. Okay, يعني الفاكت، الحقائق عن الأدباء وعن الشعراء عليك أن تزينه بالألوان, highlight it, and after that when you will revise, don't look in whole book, just memorize and revise highlighted words, highlighted lines. Okay, so this book we with you in hard copy, not on soft copy. Another book I used for Arabic paper, this is الأدب العربي المعاصر في مصر للدكتور شوقي ضيف. You also can use this book. Book is very beneficial. No need to take printout of this book, but you can read this book on soft copy on your mobile on PDF and take notes from this book as I did. Okay, في هذا الكتاب ذكر الدكتور شوقي ضيف فقد أدباء مصر مثل أحمد شوقي البارودي. Okay, شوق. The another book I read in this preparation journey, 6 month preparation journey, الجامع في تاريخ الأدب العربي لحنا فاخوري الأدب القديم. Okay, I read this book, but not in a very good manner. Just I took some notes from this book. Okay, and some chapter I can say فقد رأيت الأدباء والشعراء الذين قد ذكروا في منهجنا. Okay, فقد ذكر في syllabus UGC net syllabus. So you can also prefer this book. And the another thing I used for my preparation is UGC net Arabic notes 2019. This book has been prepared by Kerlites. This book or this PDF has been prepared by one Kerlite, so you can prefer, and I preferred this book, and this was my basic notes. Okay, in my hand I took printout of this book and read, I can say, more than 10 times this book, because in this book some chapter are very good, like modern Arabic literature and Indo-Arabic literature, يعني العصر الحديث والأدب الهندي، وكذلك الوحدة الأولى والوحدة الثانية مثل ذلك مهمتان. اوكي، وقد ذكرت في هذا الملف بأكثر أهمية. Okay, so you can refer these notes are very beneficial and useful and will help you to get your success. والكتاب الآخر الذي قرأته في هذا السفر في هذا الاستعداد وفي هذا الاختبار الكتاب البلاغة الواضحة. أوكي، أنا أقول لا أدري ما هو رقم الوحدة، ولكن الوحدة التي قد ذكر فيه البلاغة الواضحة ثم علم العروض، فللبلاغة الواضحة هذا الكتاب كما وجدت هذا الكتاب مهم جدا، لأن الأسئلة تأتي من هذا الكتاب، حتى الأمثلة لا أسئلة، والأسئلة الموجودة في هذا الكتاب قد رأيتها في الاختبار وقد رأيتم أيضا. أوكي، فهذا الكتاب بلاغة الواضحة يعني يكفي لكم، لا حاجة لأن ننظر إلى كتاب آخر. البلاغة الواضحة عليكم أن تضعوا عندكم في أوكي في الملف الصلب، يعني في hard copy, and then it will work for you إن شاء الله تعالى. I had these books, يعني those books who have been prepared for UGC NET in question answer format. So I have this book تاريخ الأدب العربي سؤالا وجوابا محمد مهدي حسن، وكذلك عندي كتاب معلومات عن الأدب العامة or something like that. Okay, لمحمد أحمد. يعني I have 4 books like this, but I will not say that these books nowadays will not work for UGC NET, because the UGC NET pattern, anti-UGC NET pattern has been went high. Okay, so it will not work. These books are on the pattern of MA Arabic entrance examination, but if you have any kind of this book you can refer. and قد رأيت هناك موجود ما رأيت ذلك الكتاب، ولكن كتاب قد طبع من كشمير، دليل للاختبار التنافسي، ما رأيته وما قرأته، ولكن قد رأيته عند صديقي في إفلو. عليكم أن تراجعوا ذلك الكتاب إن شاء الله، ستستفيدون من ذلك الكتاب كثيرا، لأن قد رأيته فقط مرة واحدة، فقد وجدت فيها مواد كثيرا. Okay, here is the main thing, the Wikipedia. Okay, you can refer Wikipedia for every adib, for every topic mentioned in your syllabus, because I don't think you will never find material on Wikipedia when you will search on Jahiz, when you will search من الأسر الأباسي أبو نواس بشار ابن برد، أوكي أبو الأتاهية البختري، وكذلك في جميع العصور. Okay, in all periods, Umayyad period, Abbasi period, Islamic period, Jahili period, Indo-Arabic literature, and modern Arabic, Egyptian literature, Syrian literature, Lebanese literature, in all things you will get material on Wikipedia. So Wikipedia important. I will advise you to refer this source. We should thank to Wikipedia that they help us so much. So you should refer this source for every topic. Okay, and you should take notes from this Wikipedia. Okay, here Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. Like that, in your paper 1 also and your paper 2 you can Google many things, and not Wikipedia, but if you will put and if you will search one thing like Mutanabbi, then you will get some topic on Wikipedia, but after that you will get many topic on Ma'rifa, on Ma'du, on Mawdu'. هناك website الموقع، وكذلك السطور. وعليك أن تأخذ المواد من جميع المواقع. أوكي، ليست فقط من ويكيبيديا، بل عليك أن تذهب على جوجل، ثم بعد ذلك تبحث عن أديب وترى هناك مواد كثيرة إن شاء الله تعالى. فهذا البحث على جوجل إن شاء الله سيفيدك كثيرا. بعد ذلك نتكلم عن مجموعة واتساب. WhatsApp group are very necessary for you. If you don't know any WhatsApp group, but I will recommend you to make your own WhatsApp group as I did. Okay, make your own WhatsApp group with your friends. Definitely you will have some friends you know that they are also preparing like you, so you should refer same thing as I did. Many people know that as I did for my preparation. Many people got advantages from that book, from that WhatsApp group, so you can do the same. Okay, so the WhatsApp group I got advantages from that was Al Murshid educational group. As I mentioned for paper 1 also, they helped me a lot and I got benefits, and it boosted my preparation. So I will recommend you the same. If you are getting any Telegram channel or any WhatsApp group, then you should join, because you will get there many things inshallah ta'ala. And you should never think that like here many people are commenting on me, and they're saying, not commenting on me, well, they're commenting to me, that they are saying that how can we join Keralites people or Bengalis people? They are talking about in Keralites and Kerala language, Malayalam language and Bengali language, so we are not understanding. So I will say to them that it is not your job to understand them, but your job to take your material, take your things. If you are getting something, that you should be there and you should not leave them. Not necessary to understand everything. Okay, it may not be that they will be sending Arabic material in Malayalam language. No, they will be sending Arabic material in Arabic language. So you will get, no need to understand their language. Okay, so you can join us, and you can join all all WhatsApp groups, all Telegram channel, Telegram group, because if you will get only one PDF, okay, in your all 6 months, then your work is done. No need to look anything. Okay, because the two PDF I sent to many groups, and now I think everyone has two PDF which I got from Rasla ma'am. She's from Kerala. So those two PDFs helped me a lot. And here I discuss Telegram channel. You also can join Telegram channel. If you don't know any Telegram channel around you, then you can form your own. Thanks for listening my strategy, and جزاكم الله خير وحسن الجزاء. شكرا لكم على حسن استماعكم. وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.